Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I actually wanted to do something a little bit different than what I usually do. This video is not going to be about makeup. Like, that's so crazy because usually all of my videos are about makeup, but this is something that I am trying to change about my channel and then to introduce to you guys not only makeup tricks but also beauty hacks and some other things that I have in mind, like organization, especially with all my makeup and other things. So this is a new feature on my channel coming for 2019. So let's get started. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about the Revlon hair waver. This is a hair tool that I bought on Amazon.com. It was about $25, and I got free shipping with it because I have a Prime membership. What this does is it creates waves, beach waves, and I actually did my hair this morning with the Revlon hair crimper, and this is how it looks. What I really love about this wand is that it creates a really pretty, like, natural wave in my hair. Now I do have like curly hair, but it's kind of like underneath some layers, so sometimes it'll be curly just like on the bottom and then the top is like super straight. So what I love about this is that it makes my hair look more naturally curly, and it just makes it a little bit more suitable for work or anything that I'm doing on a daily basis. And the great thing about it is that it works a lot like a straightener. So it literally clamps on your hair and then you just follow it down and you make this great beach wave with it. I bought it so that it was just something easy and quick to do in the morning so that I could get ready, my hair looks pretty, and then I just go. It literally takes me 20 minutes to run this through my hair and to get these beach waves. So I wanted to show you guys how it works, and then I'll give you my thoughts and opinions. So guys, I really hope you liked the demonstration using the Revlon hair crimper as well as some of the L'Ange Dry Shampoo. The reason why I use the dry shampoo is just so that it helps the curl stay in my hair, and it kind of gives it like a cling effect. And then I use hairspray to just kind of finish it off, make sure it's not fuzzy, going everywhere, and then I go about my day. And as you can see, at the end of the day, they're still there.